Let's just say my client is happy with this output, or maybe will be happy with this poster. I have to save it, so I'll go to File, Save As. Let's just say I picked a place and I'll name it poster 11 by 17 v1. So this is the first version, and I should make sure that the type is Photoshop so I can open it and make some changes with layouts and whatever. So I'll hit save and hit OK. Now I have this part right here saved and can be changed with the layers and edit it freely. Maybe I want a different background, not only a solid blue. So I need to bring another picture. Let's just say this one. I'll just drag it. There it is. It's really big and it goes way above the girl, and now I have to bring this one below. As you can see, it's below these texts, so it's showing above that. Now I want it to be just like that, yeah. And maybe control the opacity by just clicking, and I think that would be good. But I also want to resize it, so Control T. Let's just say maybe she is teaching people how to manage time, whatever. I'll hit this one to finish it up. Maybe my client would like this, so I have to save it again. Save as, one more time. I'll name it as V2 as second version, and the type is Photoshop, so I can maybe edit it or change this picture if my client didn't like it. Or another type, I can hide this one and bring my brush tool and be a little bit creative. Let's just change this color and maybe choose a darker color. When I chose this one, let's say I want to paint, but I have to make it bigger. No, that's too big. Let's Control Z and minimize it a little bit. That's better. No, that's not cool either. It's all about trying. You see, it takes some time. Okay, maybe that's good. Just randomly clicking. There are so many brushes online you can download, but for now I have only the defaults. Maybe this one, and I'll make it bigger a little bit, like 1000. Again, I will save it. I'll go to File, Save As. I'll name it V3 as a third version of Photoshop. Now I have 3 different types for my client freely to choose, and I can edit them easily. There's something I would like to show. It's very useful in Photoshop. Let's just zoom in to her chin. Let's just say she didn't want that pimple. So when I click and select, it's the marching ants once again. So I right click and choose fill. For the content, choose content aware and click OK. You'll see what happens. Now it's a little bit different. It's more clear, and let's do that again because it didn't happen. Now I have the selection, choose fill, untick this one, click OK. See, it's more clear now. Now Control D to deselect. I have her forehead selected, fill, content aware, click OK. Now the reason why it didn't work because I didn't select the right layer, so I have to select this one because I'm working on it, and choose fill. With my lasso tool I choose fill and hit OK. You see now it's smooth and doesn't have these pimples anymore. Now let's do it again right here. Click fill and OK. You see what happens? Now it's clear, and maybe that's what my client wants. So that's another option.